Personal foul. He replaced Ray Evangelista on the lineup. As Topix Robinson launches a TM3. Very rare outside conversion mula kay Topix.
So a three-guard rotation on the part of Coach Ryan. Coach Yeng should feel some disadvantage dito. Pero si Ralimi, pumasok agad yung kanyang two-pointer.
1-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Bola na kay Baguio. Baguio on the move. Baguio, kick out. Robinson, 4-3. Offensive rebound for Rich Alvarez. Here's Parada. Baguio is all alone. And Ralimi blocks the shot of Parada.
And in fact, ito si Cyrus Baguio, nagre-reklamo doon sa kanyang import. Luwag na nga naman. Eto, nandito sa kaliwa. Walang kabantay-bantay. Inabot pa ng sapal at ito, naagawan pa sila.
Here's James Yap.
And that's James Yap for you, ha. 7 sunod-sunod na punto sa kanyang itinatala dito. Binigay kagad sa Pure Foods their biggest lead of the ball game at 3 points. You see his control. Bitin na bitin.
Si Penicia tinawagan ng foul as first personal. Yan ang second team foul laban sa Red Bull. James Yap completes a 3-point play.
That's 8 points. Only 2 points short of his performance in the last game. So definitely we expect more than 20 points from James Yap this early. Sinasabi natin, sigurado yan.
4 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Amang na ng 4 ang Pure Foods, and look out.
Si Baguio, yung pasa niya, kanina sabi, hindi mo ako pinasahan kanina, bibigyan kita ng masamang pasa.
Hindi naman siguro.
Hindi naman, no. Kasi nakikipagbanggaan si Ralimi sa likod, hindi na na-anticipate yung movement sa pagkuha ng bola.
Well, Kiko Adriano, siya na ngayon ang tumatao dito kay James Yap. Rich Alvarez goes to the bench. Here's Ralimi. Ralimi, hook shot. No go. Ralimi, one more try. Kinulo ni Topix Robinson. Bola pa rin ng Pure Foods. And James Yap is blocked. Here's Baguio going behind the back. And Baguio still has the ball, but he needs help. Pasa niya natapik. It will stay with Red Bull.
Eh, nanggigigil na itong mga taga Red Bull. Gusto nila kaagad pantayan yung mainit na scoring itong si James Yap. But they should remember, nakaagawan sila. Pero kanina, ang ganda na ng tempo nila.
Blown layup mula kay Kirby Raimundo. Here's Baguio. Bump. Misses. Ball goes outside. It will stay with Red Bull.
And that's why itong ginagawa nitong si Topix Robinson, nagkakaroon ng pag-asa lagi yung mga hindi katangkaran nating mga players. With the grit and anticipation itong si Topix Robinson, always in the thick of the rebounding plays.
Tawag dyan. This is it. Here's Baguio. Drop pass. Parada. Misses. Furious battle for the basketball. And here comes Peter Jones. Simon on the move. Simon! No! Wow! Redo Ralimi with an authoritative putback slam.
And the Giants are alive with a 6-point lead. Red Bull parang natutulara rito. And you see, Pure Foods are now more active even on defense. Ang bilis na ng transition nila kahit yung malalaki. Si Kirby Raimundo was the one leading the fast break kanina.
Here's Robinson, Penici, 4-3. As the shot clock was about to run out, here comes Peter Jun Simon once again. Simon, no! Red Bull down by 6. Topix Robinson goes to Adriano. Here's Parada. Parada fires short.
Suddenly, parang pinihit yung temperature ng mga taga-Red Bull. Biglang lumamig. Samantala, ang mga taga-Pure Foods, parang bigla rin ang pinihit mo sa hot.
Nice pass to Yengel.
Was outside the court from the other team.
So, timeout muna ang Red Bull dito. Peter Jones Simon going for the layup. But Reda Ralimi taking care of business para sa Pure Foods. And Giants are on top by 6 points here in the opening quarter.